Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this cute little pineapple keychain. Uh, it's very pretty. So please watch the video till end, because don't try not to skip the video, because in between you will be getting many variations. So you will miss something. So let's start the video. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a very tiny bit circle in between. It is not that tiny, our needle can pass through it, because now onwards we will be taking stitches from inside that circle. Each time we will be passing a needle from inside that circle. See, can you see? It's a little bit circle. Okay. Now we will be taking 11 double crochet stitches. Each time we will be passing a needle. See, from inside that circle we will be passing a needle, and we will be making 11 double crochet stitches. This is first, second. See, each time I am passing my needle from inside that circle. I'll just complete 11 double crochet stitches and I will show you. See, I have almost done with my 11 double crochet stitches. Now we will join our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we will complete our round over here. After this, we will make a cluster or a group of 5 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, only we will make it a bit different. See, I'll show you. We will take a double crochet stitch. In each single stitch we will be taking 5 double crochet stitches, and we will grab the yarn and pull through. Okay, but that loop we will keep on a needle. Last loop we will keep on the needle. So similar we are doing with each double crochet stitch. Last loop we are keeping on the needle. Okay, we are not completing a double crochet stitch. See, each time I am keeping one loop. So I have completed 3. So 3 loops are there. So 5 double crochet stitches, there will be 5 loops on my needle. These are 4, and this is the 5th one. Now I will yarn over and pull through my yarn from all 5 loops at once, and I'll make a slip stitch. Okay, again I will make another group of, or another cluster of 5 double crochet stitches in another stitch. So this same thing I'm going to do for all the 11 stitches. So I'll be making 11 clusters of or 11 groups of 5 double crochet stitches. Each time I will be keeping one loop on my needle, and then I'll yarn over and pull through my yarn from all 5 stitches, all 5 loops on my needle at once. See, now I will yarn over and pull through from all 5 loops at once, and again I will start with another cluster. Okay, so same how I'll be making 11 clusters. I'll just show you. I'll complete it and show you. See, I've completed my 11 clusters of 5 double crochet stitches. Now I'll join with the stitch which is above my first cluster. I'll join it with the slip stitch and I'll complete my round. So this is base of my pineapple. Okay. Now for next round, Now we will be making total 5 rounds. Okay, now for each round what we will do, see this stitch, we can see above our gap of every two clusters. See this stitch is there above the gap of every two clusters. So we will be making stitches, a group a cluster of 5 double crochet stitches in those stitches, not in the stitches which are coming above the cluster, stitches which are coming in the gap between two clusters. These, see, not on this stitch is coming above the cluster, we will skip it. Now this stitch is coming above the gap of two clusters. So same thing we are going to do for all the 5 rounds, sorry, 4 rounds. One we have already completed. So now we are making these clusters of 5 double crochet stitches in the gap, sorry, not in the gap, the stitch which is coming above the gap between two clusters. So we will do it all around the circle. I'll just show you. This is my round 1. I'm sorry, this is my round 2. So for all, I'll make more 3 rounds. 2 I have already completed. So I'll make more 3 rounds. First I will join with the stitch which is above the first cluster. See this stitch above the first cluster, we will join it with the slip stitch and complete a round. Okay, now for rest of the 3 rounds pattern is going to be same. I'll be making clusters of 5 double crochet stitches in the stitch which is above the gap between two clusters. I'll just complete it and show you. See, so down part of my pineapple is ready. See, each time I made a cluster of 5 double crochet stitches in the stitch which is above the gap which is between two clusters. Okay, again I'll join it with the stitch above the first cluster of that round with a slip stitch and then complete my down part of the pineapple. So here we have completed the down part of a pineapple. There we have completed. So this is how it looks. Now I have used eyes and I have placed eyes on this pineapple and I've made a little smile. So it's completely up to you. If you want to do it, you can do it, or you can leave it like that also. Then also it looks good. After this is done, I'll be filling it with fillers. Whatever filler you have, I have filled it with cotton. You have some other fillers, you can use whatever you want. Once we are done filling with the fillers, now we will close this upper part. For closing this upper part, see, stitches which are above the gap between two clusters, we will join 2 stitches into 1 stitch. So we will reduce 2 stitches into 1 stitch. And we will go on continuing this method till we completely close the upper part. Okay, just see, this is how we will be doing it. I'm showing you quite slow. If you want, you can pause it and try it well. I'm already showing quite slow. We will go on continue or we will continue this till we completely close our upper part. Here we have completely closed our upper part. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we are done closing the upper part also. Once we are done with this, now we will be making leaves. Now leaves we will be making in same stitches which are coming between the gap of two clusters. The stitch which is coming above the gap of between two clusters. Okay. And those leaves also starting part will be same. We will again make a cluster of 5 double crochet stitches in each stitch, and we will make leaf in every alternate gap. We will make a leaf in one gap or between two clusters, then skip other gap, and next to it we will make another one. Okay, so again I'll be making 5 double crochet stitches, a cluster of 5 double crochet stitches, and join it with a slip stitch. See, 4 and one more, 5. Here my first cluster is ready. I'll join it with a slip stitch, and I will make one more chain crochet stitch. Okay, now I'll pull the yarn and make my strand quite high, and now again I'll be making 5 double crochet stitches, a cluster of 5 double crochet stitches, and where I've made that slip stitch, there I'll be making all the 5 double crochet stitches from there. This is how we are making one above the other, so our leaves are looking longer. Okay, now I'll make 5 or 4 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last one with the slip stitch. After that I'll make 4 chain crochet stitch, 1 2 3 4, and join it with a slip stitch of the first cluster. See this slip stitch, I'll join it over there. Again we will make a slip stitch and join it. Again I'll make 4 chain crochet stitches and join it with the stitch from where we started, a first cluster of 5 double crochet stitches. This is how we will be making leaves of pineapple. So as I told you, in every alternate gap, means we will make in one gap, skip the other one, and in next one we'll make another leaf. See, we will skip this one. We'll just make a half double crochet stitch in it, and we will pass on to other one, next one. And with the same method we will be making all the leaves. So this is like we will be making in round. So in between also we will make where we have So this is how a pineapple crochet keychain looks like. Isn't it cute? I've tried to show every step quite slowly. I hope so you have enjoyed the video. You have understood it well. So please do like the video if you have liked it. Please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Please don't forget. Thank you. Thanks for watching video completely. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Please don't forget to subscribe. Who have already subscribed, thanks a lot, and who have not yet subscribed, I will request you, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm coming up with many such crochet tutorial. Many projects will be there, crochet projects, and you can learn many more things. So please do subscribe. Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.